thinking about what we could do.
Should we go into Ray's Gourmet and ask them for free? You want to be on our friends list? You want to be our friend? We're just looking for friends.
Looking for friends.
That guy's high on Bob.
Can you be our friend?
Your friend?
Yeah, we're just looking for friends.
Okay.
Like in the most genuine way.
This guy's a serial killer.
We've been hanging out tonight and we're like one short of a crew.
Holy shit! Wait, is that? Are you
Look at his eyes. You guys see his eyes?
That's not Nathan. What do you
He's
do?
a gay serial killer.
Could you take off your shirt?
He's a homosexual serial
We're
killer.
live because we're live right now online.
Come on, take off.
We're live right now, and we're trying to find new talent for our cool kids gang. Like I do singing. I go la 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 la. Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I'm not that good, but I try. So you're not good. You can try.
He thinks you're cute.
What do you do?
Yeah, he
What do I do?
Yeah.
I'm a writer and I'm a performer.
What's your favorite piece of writing, whether you've written it or not?
That's a good question. I really like Rod Serling's stuff. I mean, he's brilliant. He's good.
Yeah.
Rod Sterling.
Could you do a excerpt of one of the most poignant lines you've ever heard?
The most,
Like just something that would blow the people away that have no idea who Rod Sterling is.
well, Rod Serling created the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, but like what's some of his best work? Like what's the one line that would hook
Can I
everybody
ask you
at
a
home?
question, sir? How many people have you murdered tonight?
Aside from my mother, 3.
She's
okay.
She brought you into this world. You could take her out.
He murdered his
Yeah,
mother.
fuck her.
So that's 4 in total? 4 in total?
Yeah. pretty
Okay,
much.
understood. So should I call the police now or later?
No, come on, let him be, man. He's probably been through a
Give
lot.
him a head
Let him be.
start.
Give him a head start.
I
Give
did
him a head
have a
start.
rough night.
You had a rough night.
Serious.
Is there something you could say right now that
So
might
I
make
mean,
my fan base?
are you a necrophiliac? Are you into that?
Am I into necrophilia?
Yes.
Like, fucking corpses, not really.
Yeah.
Okay,
Why
you're just
not?
into murdering people? That's it?
I don't know, because they're dead on their feet. Like, what kind of answer do you
But
want?
isn't that hot?
No, I don't like it when they just lay there.
Sanchez, what did you just say?
I mean,
Sanchez, what did you just say?
Isn't
Is
that
that
hot?
They
hot?
just lay there, alive
Yeah.
or dead?
I mean, I was.
Are you fucking serious?
7?
No, I didn't say that. I was just joking, guys.
Yeah.
You were just joking.
Oh, that was
Okay,
just-
okay. I thought you were serious for a second there.
Oh, that's just a joke. So,
You want an excerpt? I'll give you an excerpt.
yeah. By the way, if you want to ever endeavor in that, there's a church right there, and there's a bunch of dead bodies. And,
Oh, it's Paul Danino in the future.
Ice Poseidon in 2 years.
We're on YouTube.com. Billy the Fridge IRL right now.
Paul Danino in
Billy
the
the Fridge
future.
IRL. I think we got like 600
Ice
people
Poseidon
watching
in
right
2
now.
years. Yeah, I could agree.
Not
with
that big, but we're getting there. We're building up. Yeah, all over the world, all over the world. So what was that excerpt you had?
No matter what you do or where you are, always be in love.
The
No
Cure,
matter
love
what
song.
you
Love
do
song.
or
The Cure.
where you are, always be in love.
I like that.
Thank you. Can we credit that to you or anybody? Like, do you want to say anything to people at home?
Yeah, I do. All the knowledge. It doesn't matter if people are listening to you. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're being heard. It's because they're hearing what you're saying. It doesn't mean that they're listening.
Right.
So always follow your heart and do your stuff, and just pay
Right.
attention to you. And no matter if anybody tells you that you're arrogant or conceited, stick to your opinion, because I mean, at the end of the day, I've been through a lot, like over the last 10 years, and I don't.
How long have you had AIDS?
I haven't. I don't think he has.
Goodbye.
Yeah, have a good night. Thank you. Have a good night.
Holy shit.
That was so rude. That was my friend, dude. He was a sweet boy. I like him.
Yeah,
The fact that he walked away that quickly after you saying that,
rude, dude.
it means it wasn't. That's not rude.
He was
It's a
that
general
hard.
question.
It's a general
General
question.
question. He was a little bit of a snowflake. Yeah.
My guy was making a friend tonight. That was gonna be my new buddy pal.
I just asked him a normal question.
What would chat do if chat could have did a dono? We don't read free chat. Whose chat is this? We don't read pleb chat. Dono chat. You dono that shit. That's what the speaker's for. I sat there and sweet boy baited that guy for 7 minutes. Anyone you could have paid $3. Fuck you guys. That's on you.
AIDS Poseidon.
General question.
There wasn't anything like particularly bad about it. I mean, how long did the guy have for? That's it.
It's not a bad question.
You can live a long, fulfilling life with HIV positive.
I mean,
I think I'd be AIDS before. I probably had AIDS like 2 or 3 times. And I probably probably beat it. Dude, you know I fucked a monkey when I was in the jungle in Afghanistan?
Okay, stolen valor, monkey fucker Andy.
Wow, do you hear that? You just got roasted. You guys have to throw down now.
Oh.
Boogie down, boogie down, boogie down, boogie down, boogie down.
Boogie down.
Boogie down. Boogie down.
I don't think Sanchez wants to fight.
Man, he got that. He got that.
I think
liquid
Billy
courage.
wants to fight Sanchez more than Sanchez wants to fight Billy.
He got that. He got that. He got that liquid courage.
Yeah.
He got that liquid courage, guys. He got that liquid.
Do you realize that Billy, like, just laying on top of you for like two seconds would just asphyxiate you, right?
No,
just
he
crush
did it
your
for
lungs.
like more
I
than
stepped on him.
Yeah, it was like
he
it was
didn't
like
die.
It was like a quarter of that time.
If you would have died when I did that, you know how bad I would have felt?
I mean, you'd
Like,
cry.
I'm
You'd
pretty
cry
bad.
with Sanchez in your arms, and we just
Yeah.
you would just stream it.
Papa,
Yeah.
pop it, don't stop it.
Oh! Another one! Another one! Now, see, now we gotta be sweet boys and pick this up.
I'll pick it up.
No, we gotta fix it. Guys, we're not vandals. We're not vandals.
Why are you guys cleaning it up? Now it's just like it like destroy. It's like there's no point in doing that.
Because we're sweet boys. We gotta clean it up because we're sweet boys. We don't
you
vandal.
shit on the ground and you would scoop it up, put it
Yeah,
in
we
the
do.
trash. Like,
We put it in the trash.
why even do that? Might as well go to the toilet if you're gonna do that. Yeah. Might as well go to the
Sweet
toilet.
boys. It's what sweet boys do.
Oh my god, what is?
Holy shit.
What is that going on here?
Oh, that's a lot going on. That is a lot. That's
He's
a lot.
planking.
He's
Planking.
planking. He's planking.
It's like one of those millennial things.
Take a midnight train going anywhere.
It's a millennial thing.
You know what?
I want to be able to
I need a
understand it.
channel-
I'm
I
a
need a-
boomer.
I need to channel
I'm
my...
a boomer. I don't understand these millennial things. What that was planking. But I don't. Can you explain millennial? Explain to me what that
Three
was.
contents deep. I was trying to fuck the trash can. Oh fuck, dude.
I do.
Get a camera. Get a camera.
Shit. You want to try that again?
Was it not on camera?
Was there any
No,
wood
you
underneath
get it,
there?
you
Was
get
there
it, you
like
get it.
hard?
There's a lot of wood underneath there. Look at this. There's a full fucking dresser set that I just crotched myself in. Look at this. It's a,
Get it. You can
the
get
whole
that.
ass dresser set, my dude. You think you can do it better than me? You think you can jump better than me? You can do it better than me? I'll give you my whole life on a postcard. Cameraman, a little further back, get the whole thing in there. Get the whole thing in there.
Entire mattress.
You can jump in it? You can jump on it for content?
Hey, sir, can you join these? Come on, just do only. You know what? We'll pay you $5.
Free bet, my
$10.
$10.
Free bet, my dude.
So much content, it's too much content.